Hello, and welcome back to English from the Ground Up. My name is Kenzo, and in this video, you will acquire English naturally by watching, listening, and following along as I play Minecraft Hardcore. Let's do it. So, first of all, I changed around the chest room a little bit. I added signs that say what's inside the chests. So inside this chest, there's stone. And inside this chest, there's soil. So here we have gravel, dirt. I would put sand in this chest. So now I've organized my items in these chests. I still need to build signs for this side, but I'll do that in the future. It's nighttime. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's morning! I have one more thing to show you, and it's down here. Down the long staircase. I did a little bit of mining on the Discord community. I took this staircase all the way down to bedrock, and along the way I found some diamonds. I found diamonds here, I found diamonds here, and I also found diamonds down this tunnel. Let's mine these diamonds. Let's see how many diamonds we found. There's 5 diamonds. All right, it looks like there's 1 diamond right here. So there's 6 diamonds now. I think there were diamonds down this tunnel. Nope, never mind. No diamonds down this tunnel. This was a really long tunnel. And there's at least 1 diamond right here. Let's see. Just 1? Just 1 diamond. Okay. So we found 7 diamonds. I found 7 diamonds while playing on Discord. Alright, we're back to the surface. Let's go to sleep. Let's take our diamonds and let's put them in the valuable chest. These are all of my valuable items. Let's take the diamonds and let's put them in here. This was my first pickaxe. This is very valuable. And I also found a trident, an enchanted trident, but it's almost broken. And also, this user in the comments told me what the lodestone does. I'm going to break this cobblestone and I'll replace it with the lodestone. Now we have to build a compass. We need 4 iron ingots. We'll have to build 1 more using these nuggets. And we'll also need a redstone dust. 1 redstone dust. Okay, let's build 1 iron ingot. There we go, now we have 4, so we can build a compass. Here it is, the compass. Let's build a compass. So right now, this compass is pointing me this way. It's pointing me this direction because it's pointing where I originally spawned in this world, which was this way. But I want the compass to point me back to my house. And I can do that using the lodestone. There we go. Now the compass is pointing towards the lodestone. So my compass will point me to my home. I'm also going to break these torches. Break. Let's build a lantern. And let's place it right here. There we go. The lantern looks better. I also want to craft some armor stands for the corners. Let's do it. Armor stand. What do we need? We need some sticks and a smooth stone slab. Ugh. And we're almost there. 3. There we go. Now let's take our smooth stone and turn them into smooth stone slabs. Okay, now we can build an armor stand. We just need sticks. Sticks will be in the wood chest because they're made of wood. Let's build 2 armor stands. 1, 2. Cool. I'm going to place a slab right here and a slab right here. And on top of the slabs, we'll place the armor stands. 1 and 2. There we go. And I'm going to give my first pickaxe to this armor stand. Let's take my first pickaxe and let's give it to the armor stand. Now it's holding the pickaxe. All right. Now I want to build a farm. I want to plant some of these seeds that I've found. I have an idea for an interesting farm, but I'm going to need a lot of dirt. Let's pick up some dirt. I'm going to need more dirt. Let's build an iron shovel. I'm going to collect a bunch of dirt. Place another torch, and I'll pick up all this dirt. And I think that should be enough. Oh, it's nighttime. Let's go to sleep. I'm going to build a stone cutter. How do you build a stone cutter? Here it is. 3 stone and 1 iron ingot. Here I have some stone, 3 stone, and 1 iron ingot. Let's build the stone cutter. And I'll place the stone cutter on top of the crafting table. I have a bunch of deep slate. Let's take some of this deep slate, and using the stone cutter, I'll turn this cobbled deep slate into some polished deep slate. I turned all of the cobbled deep slate into polished deep slate. And lastly, I'm going to craft some fences. Let's do bamboo fences. Let's build a bunch of bamboo fences. Okay, we built 57 bamboo fences. We'll probably need more. I'm going to build my farm in the ocean. The first farm I'll build right here. Let's get out of the boat. I'm going to dig up this sand and replace it with dirt. And we'll replace it with dirt. I'm going to make a circle. All right, I've built the circle. Now I need to fill it in with dirt. Okay, halfway done. And finished. There we go. I've built a dirt circle. Now I'm going to get some of my polished deep slate, and I'll place some around the outside. Like this. Uh-oh. Hey! No! Die! A baby drowned. Okay. I'll place some, like this. Hey! I'll place some, like this. Oh, Minecraft. Oh. Hello, parrot. Hello, parrot. Parrot. Parrot, go away. Go away. Parrot. Now, I've placed the polished deep slate all around the outside. Now, I'll place some fences. Fences. And I'm gonna need more fences. Yep. I'm out of fences. I'll place a torch here. And I'll place a torch here. Okay, I'm gonna get back in my boat. And I'm going to sail home. Let's go to sleep. And let's pick up some potatoes. Let's plant some potatoes in this farm. Let's also build some fence gates. Okay, let's get in our boat. And let's sail over to the farm. Here we are. Let's get off the boat. Let's get our fences. And let's finish the fence. There we go. The fence is finished. Now let's place these gates. We'll put one here One here, one here, and one here. We'll have 4 fence gates. And there we go. I forgot 2 things. I forgot a hoe and a bucket. Let's go back home. Here's my bucket. It has lava in it. And let's build a copper hoe. For right now, I'm going to place the lava right here. Here we are. I'm going to fill my bucket with water, and here in the middle, I'll place the water. Now, I'll use the copper hoe, and I'll till the soil. Ooh, what was that sound? The sun's going down. All right, and I've tilled all the soil. Now, I'll take the potatoes, and I'll start planting them. Let's plant some potatoes. I planted all the potatoes. Now, I just need to wait for them to grow. And I'm going to end this episode right here. Like and subscribe, and if these videos are being helpful to you, I have a Ko-fi page where you could make a donation to help support this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya. Till I feel just right. Wow, is this the best it's ever been? Is it right?